Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2023 Genesis G80. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life for this vehicle. Start by pressing the start stop button twice. The engine is currently off. All the lights will illuminate here in the dash. We'll go over to this screen right here. We're going to be using these buttons right here. So the home button, the back button, the wheel, and then this button right here. So starting with the wheel, we'll turn to the right. Focusing here on the screen right here, go all the way to setup. Press down on the wheel, just like so, pressing down. And then you'll notice it says vehicle right there. Go ahead and press down on that. Move the wheel down to convenience. Press down on the wheel and you'll see oil change reminder. Go ahead and press on that, and notice here it says remaining life 12%. Go ahead and select reset. Has the oil been changed? Yes. Select yes. Now you're back at 100%. Simple as that. Looking right on top of it, you can see service interval. This one shows the oil change has already been set at 8,000 miles. You can also reset this one by going down to reset. Select reset. It's going to ask you to select yes or no. That'll reset it for 8,000 miles. You can also change this to a different mileage if you wish, just by pressing down on the wheel. Although we're not going to change it, so we'll go back and just leave it as is. And then you can just press the home button here on top of the wheel. Just press home and you're back where you started. You can press back and you can go to the main screen. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.